yung talino ng coaches ninyo. Pag alam ng coach ang sagot, ibubulong kay team captain. Si team captain pipila. So kung sino yung naunang pumila, siya yung unang sasagot. Pag nauna siyang sumagot, siya yung unang pipili nung envelope. Okay? Okay. Hindi ko alam to ah. Wala akong alam dito. Okay. So, pag tama ang sagot, kukuha yung team captain ng isa. Hindi na si coach. Itiwala na lang si coach sa inyo. Kasi ayoko na silang palakarin. Sila yung tutak, kayo yung gawa. Pipila. For example, yung unang nakapila, mali ang sagot. Yung susunod na nakapila, siya yung sasagot. Hanggang sa maubos yung tama. Pero per question yun, babalik kayo agad. Okay? Kate. Ma'am Kate, unang question.
Bago mo na ang lahat, bawal ang cellphone, bawal mag-google.
Bawal mag-google, grabe naman tayo.
Some questions are random. Science, human kinetics, PE, history. Okay, question.
Coach Marby, where you at? Coach Marby. O, assistant coach na lang. AJ. Wala rin. Team captain lang. O, by yourself lang. Bala ka kung ano yung sagot. Okay lang siya. O, okay. Sino assistant captain mo?
Ayun na si Mark.
O, ayan na. Coach Marby. Mamaya na lang kagawad. Okay lang yung barangay nyo. Hindi naman papaano. Okay? Okay. So, Coach Marty, ibubulong yung sagot pag alam para makatakbo siya agad. Okay?
Okay, question number 1. It refers to the act of helping someone go over a skill for the first time. It refers to the act of helping someone go over the skill for the first time.
Pila muna kayo. Wala na, ito lang may alam. Itong dalawa lang. O, ayan na. O, ayan na. Okay na? Okay, game. Anong sagot? Spatter. Spatter? Spatter, sorry.
Act.
Okay, thank you for coming. Coaching. Coaching. Thank you for coming. Spotting. Spotting.
Perfect.
Okay, AU! It's your chance to be. Lucky draw ito. Okay. Oy, wala mong bumukas ha. Diyan ka lang. Tayo ka lang dyan. Shhh, mamaya ka pumunta. Mamaya. Mamaya. Baka mabuksan mo eh. Next! Okay.
Next question. Who is the host school of season 99?
Nakuha.
Season 99. Emilio Aguinaldo College. Season 99.
I see you.
JRE.
Okay, say, are you? Sino to? Cheer P. Okay. Pine. Tayo ka dito na. Tayo ka dito. Ano? Tayo ka dito. Tayo. Yan. Para sabay-sabay kayo magbubukas. Okay, next coach.
Next. Whose team has the 9-time champion in the NCAA?
Forbes Watch. Siyempre. Sino mo? Siya lang dapat pagkakad eh. Oh, sige. Next.
It refers to the ability to exert maximum effort in the shortest period of time. What component of physical fitness, strength or muscular strength?
Sorry.
Component of physical fitness.
Sorry. Ano na, other coaches? Other coaches? Speed.
No.
Right. Wala? Okay. Balik. Ang tanong.
Sabi kayo sagot?
Ah.
Power.
Diba? Oo.
Next question. What is the Olympic energy drink?
Milo. San Sebastian. Okay. Next.
Next.
Ito yung tama.
It refers to the basic arm motion done with the arm straight up, imitating the letter V. High V.
Okay. Next.
A counting move where athlete does a complete 360 degrees rotation around a longitudinal axis while in the air. Full twist. Okay.
Okay. Last four.
Who is the Filipino gymnast who recently won the Olympics? Carlos Yu.
Good question. Next.
Okay, this is execution, coach. It refers to a tapping skill where the hips go overhead. So instruct your cheerleader to execute your answer. It refers to a tapping skill where the hips go overhead. So gagawin.
Gawin daw.
Gagawin.
Gagawin.
Gagawin yung sagot.
Okay. Okay. So, magpipilian na lang silang dalawa kung sino.
Okay, how many seasons does the NCAA have?
Okay.
100.
Coach. Ah. Ready? Sabay-sabay tayo. Ready? Ipapakita nyo ipapakita nyo, kailangan mo na mapicturean. Sorry, where's GMA? Where's GMA? Wait lang. Kailangan yung GMA ko. Wait. Shh. Wala muna ha, wala muna. Wait. Pasok, compress kayo ng konti guys. Compress. Kailangan makita eh. Pasok sa tarpaulin. Pasok. GMA muna, GMA. Iganto nyo siya. Yan, para hihigitin nyo na lang. Hihigit nyo na ng ganito. Okay, ready? Wait lang ah, wait. Wait. lang, ano mga